A very good evening to class 12 boys. Today we will discuss about the next topic in business plan, that's business goals. Okay, the business goals means aim of the business, means what company expects. Most of people say that the business goal is to earn profit, paisa kamana. But this is not only the business goal to earn only money, because you can earn money only one time. The basic business goal is to satisfy a customer. Okay, because the business goal cannot be measured in terms of how much profit we can earn. It can earn how much market we created, how much goodwill we created. Because if we create the brand name, if we create the goodwill, that is attainable. That is the perfect business goal. Then what is business goal? Business goal describe what a company expect to accomplish over a specific period of time. Means it basically describes how a company what a company expects. What a company expect. Company चाहती क्या है? What company expects. Means if we say company wants growth. Now here, if the company is started over here, in 5 years period of time, 5 साल बाद, what company achieve? Company want to achieve a particular amount of profit, or company want to satisfy, company want to create the market or build its image. So that's a need to think what business goal is. The business goal describe what a company expect in near future. Okay, and how to accomplish over a specific period of time. The business goal is always measurable in time. मैं किस टाइम पीरियड के अंदर आप कितना अचीव करना चाहते हैं, whether in terms of profit, whether in terms of customer, whether in terms of creating a brand image. आप एक पीरियड टाइम पे what company expect. The simple way, if you define the business goal, it can be described like this. Business goal describe what a company expect to accomplish over a specific period of time. The fundamental goal of business is to make profit, not only make the profit. The fundamental goal of business is to make profit. Is it clear? But it not only in monetary terms, but how much amount of profit we come. हमने 1 लाख profit कमाया, हमने 2 लाख profit कमाया. This is not only aim of the business. To mean the fundamental goal of business is to make profit, not only in monetary terms, but also in non-monetary terms. It includes to improve customer relation, to create goodwill, to create a brand image in the market. So that's a basic thing. So that's a business goal. The business goal is a fundamental goal. The fundamental goal of business is to make profit, but not only in monetary terms, but also in non-monetary terms. Now, how can we measure in non-monetary terms? To improve customer relations. हम customer से relation कैसे improve करें? If we satisfy customer, then the more customer will engage with us. हम और customer को attract कर पाएंगे, because the mouth publicity is very important in business. And then we create an image, brand image, the company image, to create a goodwill. Is it clear? Like Tata has a particular amount of goodwill. I'm not saying not in the motor segments, not in the automobile sector, but it has other segments also. Okay, if Tata open any business, it always attract the customer because Tata has the amount of goodwill. Simple, the Nestle is having, it's a global brand, so it's having the particular amount of goodwill. How they create goodwill, all the companies in the world, whether it's small company, whether it's a big company, they always set up some goals. Okay, so means they set the fundamental goal not only to earn money, not only to make profit, but also to improve the customer relation, how we create goodwill. Next comes what is goal setting. What is goal setting? Now, if you heard about this thing, goal setting. The goal setting simply means establishing a target to be achieved. Now, what the company want to achieve? This means establishing a target to be achieved. Goal setting can be defined as establishing short-term or long-term objectives. It means establishing short-term or long-term objectives of the business. Short-term and long-term objectives of the business. Establishing short-term and long-term objectives of the business. So basically, this created how we create establishing a target to be achieved. Now, what target to be achieved, whether it's a short term or long term, this comes a goal setting. But the main part is usually incorporating deadlines एंड ठीक है quantifiable measures. The goal setting always had to make in certain manner. इसको इस तरह बनाया था, कोई भी गोल आपने सेट किया तो उसकी कोई डेडलाइन होनी चाहिए इस टाइम पीरियड में, whether 3 months 4 months 1 year. Now suppose आपने कोई एड डिजाइन किया and then you feel that कि this ad can create your goodwill or this ad can create profitable in the business. देखिए it should be measured in terms of time period. उसकी एक डेडलाइन होनी चाहिए. आप जो भी गोल सेट करोगे एक पर्टिकुलर डेडलाइन होनी चाहिए. इट कैन बी मेजर इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. आपने कितना प्रॉफिट कमाया या कितने आपने कस्टमर्स इंक्रीज करे. That's clear. That's a goal setting. So this means, the simply how can you define goal setting? This means establishing a target to be achieved. Goal setting can be defined as establishing short-term and long-term objectives, usually incorporating deadlines. तो incorporating deadlines means time period. किस time period के अंदर आप ये target achieve करना चाहते हैं. And quantifiable measure. It should be measured in terms of quantity. Suppose any students makes, I will work hard. मैं 6 घंटे पढ़ाई करूँगा. Okay, I will complete that amount of ये टाइम पीरियड के अंदर ये पूरा कोर्स मैं रिवाइज करूंगा. एंड यू गिव अ टाइम पीरियड 3 मंथ्स के अंदर. जो 3 मंथ्स के अंदर मेरे हाफ ईयरली होंगे उसमें मैं एटलीस्ट 80% मार्क्स अचीव करूंगा और मैं इतना पोर्शंस को क्वालिटी वाइज रीड करूंगा. तो दिस आर गोल सेटिंग एस्टैब्लिशिंग बाय अ पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट. So similarly, the goal setting can be established by a company also. How the company can achieve well these targets. But all these targets, जो भी target आपने बनाया है, it should have a particular deadline. एक टाइम पीरियड होना चाहिए and it should be measured in the quantifiable measures. Means एक quantity में इसको measure करना चाहिए. तो what is the importance of goal setting? Goal setting ensures clarity of vision. आप करना क्या चाहते हो? That's why goal setting is very important for every type of business. Means the goal setting ensures clarity of vision, clarity of purpose and higher probability of achieving the goals. This is a basic goal setting. So what is why goal setting is important? Goal setting not only important, ठीक है, तो मीन्स हम ये टास्क करेंगे, हम ये करने वाले हैं. आप ये टास्क करोगे किस टाइम पीरियड के अंदर करोगे और उसके फायदे क्या होंगे. It should all be things are measurable. The goal setting ensures clarity of vision, clarity of purpose and high probability of achieving the goals. Next part is goal. Why the goal setting again important? Goal gives employees a reason and purpose to work hard. It's very important for the employees also, the stakeholder in the business, whether it's a partner, whether it's an employee, whether it's a board of director, those who are stakeholders. So for them the goals are very important. उन सब के लिए goals बहुत important है, चाहे वो आपका employee है, चाहे वो partner है, चाहे वो आप खुद क्यों ना हो. तो goals, because goals give employee a reason and purpose to work hard. Because इसे if we achieve that amount of profit, हम ये target पूरा करेंगे तो means the employee feel that their salary will rise, they will get bonuses, they will get incentives. I mean, they will work hard. I mean, they feel that they know they are working towards something. The simple way, if you define that, what is the second part? Goal give employees a reason and a purpose to work hard because they know they are working towards something. Third part is take time to think about what your goals. ठीक है, before you put them, before you make them, before you stem them, take time to think about what your goals are before you stem them. They need to be detailed. आपको उसको डिटेल में बनाना पड़ेगा so that you know exactly what you are working towards for. आप किस पर्पस के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. तो means all the goals you need to take time to think about what are the goals you are making. ठीक है, what are the goals you need to achieve. You need to stem them, you need to put them, ठीक है, in a design, in a particular framework. तो they need to be detailed. उसको पूरी डिटेल में आपको बनाना पड़ेगा so that you know exactly what you are working towards. They also need to be something measurable. It should be measurable so that you actually know when and how you have to reach them. आप कैसे और किस तरीके से और कब अपने गोल तक पहुंच पाओगे. तो क्लियरिटी शुड बी गिवन, क्लियरिटी शुड बी दियर. ठीक है, ग्रो इन व्हाट वे एंड हाउ मच. आप कितना ग्रो करोगे, किस वे में ग्रो करोगे और ठीक है, हाउ मच मीन्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वांटिटी. तो दिस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. सेकंड, ठीक है, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. Goal give employees a reason and a purpose to work hard because they know they are working towards something. And third part is take time to think about what your goals are before you stem them, before you make them. They need to be detailed so that you know exactly what you are working towards. They also need to be something measurable. Okay, it should be measurable so that you actually know when and how you have reached them. The clarity should be there. ठीक है, grow, the clarity of our work. Grow in what way? किस वे में grow करना है? We have to create number of customers more, we have to create goodwill more, or we have to increase our profit. And how much? It should be measurable. So how you understand these 3 points? Now, what are the rules regarding goal setting? And after rules, I'll give you some examples how companies set goals. So what is the rules regarding goal setting? Rules regarding goal setting. What is the rule regarding goal setting? Set the goal that motivates you. ठीक है, and your partners in the firm. Means you need to set the goal. जो भी आप goal now, that can motivate you. It not be bored. It can be, means is the goal. It should be like this thing. All the people feel that they are the part of it. Means you need to set the goal. Set the goal that motivates you. That motivates you. First point. Next point. Business goals need to be relevant. Business goals need to be relevant. It should be a relevant. Means which is possible actually. Okay, it should be TI. Need to be relevant. Okay, next is business goal need to be actionable. Need to be actionable. I hope you understand the part. What is actionable means? Goals without action plan are just pretty words. ठीक है, you need to make a business goals which is actionable, जो हम कर पाए. So the business goal should be developed in the form of specific action that can be performed and evaluated. ठीक है, evolved. ठीक है, that business goals, the goals without action plans are just like a pretty words. So the business goal should be developed in the form of specific action that can be performed, and we can evaluate that. We can find that. We can check that. This is an important part. We should be evaluated that. Okay, the business plan need to be actionable. It should be actionable. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने paper work कर दिया and then we say कि ठीक है it's working. The business goal need to be actionable. उसमें actionable doesn't mean you need to show action just like a film in that. Action means there's some purpose for this thing. There's some working in it. ठीक है, all the person are working towards a business goal. We need to be action in that. And the business goal should be relevant in which is possible. Which is actually possible. It should be relevant. You say, बाजार में बहुत मंदी आई हुई है. Suppose this is corona time is going on. COVID-19 time is going on. And you say that you set a target कि मैं अपने profit को ठीक है इतना achieve करूँगा. तो which is not relevant because market में अभी वैसी low चल रहा है. ठीक है, there are lot many persons out there those who are not in job or they get a half hour salary, they not get the full salary, and then you make a plan. ठीक है, you set a goal कि within 3 months ठीक है I make my business. ठीक है, मैं अपने business का इतना profit बढ़ाऊंगा, which is not possible. तो it should be relevant. वो जो possible हो पाए. Is it clear? So means the business goal should be relevant. It need to be actionable. Business plan need action. Business plan need action. We need to work, need action. Then fifth plan your work. You need to plan your work. What you are attending for. करना क्या चाहते हैं? Plan your work. Or simply say work your plan. It simply means you need to plan your work or work your plan. And then most important part, the sixth one is stick with it. You need to stick with it. Whatever plan should not be diverted from this thing. If you any other person, if any other team diverted from it, the business goal not be possible. Mean the purpose it need to be specific, and you need to that purpose we need to be stick with it. हम करना क्या चाहते हैं, हम कैसे करेंगे, all the thing should be ठीक है is there in the business plan. And ठीक है all the person those who involved in the business plan should be stick with the whatever you targeted, whatever और हम कैसे करेंगे. You mean they need to be stick with the action or actionable. Okay, and all the teams, those who are members in the team, those who are the team members, they should work hard for this thing. All the persons should not be in action so that the business goal can be achievable. I hope it's clear. This is a rule regarding business plan. Some of the common business goals are, I'm writing here, some of the common business goals are, the business says that, the first thing is improve consumer satisfaction. They are always targeting that. Improve customer satisfaction. Improve customer satisfaction. The company should maintain that. Okay, we need to satisfy our customer. Okay, we need to provide after sales services. Now, how early we can satisfy our customer? Now, this is one type of business goal. The other one is, which is very common, increase brand awareness. Increase brand awareness. Now, how we increase your brand awareness? With the help of advertising, with the help of marketing, or with the help of the better services you can provide to customer. Next is find new market. You want to increase your business. You want to expand your business. You need to find new market. This is one other type of business goal. Next is expand product or services in which you are dealing. Now expand product. You need to expand the market also. You need to expand your product. Suppose this your particular company are manufacturing soap only. Now you say, now we want to manufacture hair oil also. We want to manufacture shampoo also. We need to create a talcum also. That means you are increasing your product. You are expanding your product. To expand product services in which you are dealing. You know that when you create a brand name, if you expand the product services, it can increase more number of customers, or which ultimately increase the profitability. Okay, next is other part, improves employee satisfaction. Not only the customer is everything, your employees plays a very important role. Improves employees satisfaction, because the employee is working for you. He is working for you. Of course, he is working for salary, but he is a part of your business. If you satisfy your human resource, it's always better for the business. Okay, you want to reduce operational cost. जो भी business की फालतू के खर्चे हैं, you want to reduces operational cost is the other type of business goal. Next is, which is very common, we say apart from this thing, increase networking with the partners. Networking with the partner. Next is increase in -% of revenue. Now you want to increase your revenue within, say, give a target. I want to increase my revenue. I want to increase my revenue by 50% in next 3 years. Now these are certain amount of business goals are there, which is very common in business. I hope it's clear. What are different types of business goals? So if I give you in short, what are the business goals? What are terms which are involved in business goal? It's clearly emphasis that business goal means to satisfy a customer, increase your profit, but the profit is not only everything. You have to see the other non-monetary terms. So when you prepare the business goal, we say we need to set goal. Okay, then we need to make plan. Next is it. Next plan is, first is set goal. Okay, next is make plan. Next is get to work. Is important word. Without work, nothing is possible. Get to work. Okay, next is stick to it. Stick to it. Whatever plan you make, you need to stick with it. And then last one is, if you're reaching here, reach goals. Reach goal. You have to make the same. Once you make all the things, you need to reach your goal. So these are things. First one is, you need to set your goal. You need to make your plan. Get to work. Stick to it. Whatever the plan you make, and then ultimately you reach to the goal. I hope this part is clear. This is one more stair. I don't have a space over here. I hope this is clear. How you set goal, you need to make plan, and then you need to stick with it. Okay, just note down this one. This is an important part. Okay, next thing is very common over here. They say that, what is SMART goals? As commonly terms come, what is SMART goals? The term is given SMART. This is a frequently asked in board examination. What are SMART goals? You know, S represent for specific, M measurable. We will discuss one by one. First is specific, second is measurable, A related for attainable. Now what is specific? Okay, now specific means your goal must be clear and well defined. It should be specific, measurable, with specific related to S represent for specific, M related for measurable, A for attainable, R for reasonable, and T represent for R for relevant, and T for time bound. T represent for R represent for relevant, and it should be time bound. To understand them, the first, these are SMART goals. The normally question can comes, what are SMART goals? Okay, this is a part of business plan. S represent for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevant, and T represent for time bound. Now we will discuss one by one what is all about. Okay, what is specific? If you say what is specific, specific means your goal must be clear. The first one is specific. Specific says that your goal must be clear. Your goal must be clear. The goal must be clear and well defined. And well defined. It should be clear. Your goal should be must be clear and well defined. Now, what do you want to accomplish? Okay, specifically say what is the purpose and benefits of accomplish the goal. It means when you make this goal, you should be specific. Your goal must be clear and well defined. What do you want to accomplish? आप क्या accomplish करना चाहते हैं? Specifically, what is the purpose and benefits of accomplishing the goal? उसके फायदे क्या मिलेंगे? क्या purpose है? तो there need to be some purpose for this thing. The first one is, I hope it's clear. What is specific? Specific means your goal must be clear and well defined. Goal must be clear and well defined. Specifically, what is the purpose and benefits of accomplishing the goal? Next is measurable. M represent for measurable. Measure means it should be measured. Whether in terms of profit, whether in terms of money, whether in terms of quantity. A goal should be measurable. This help in assessing and controlling the actions which help in goal attainment and helps a business to know whether it is on the right track or not. To me, it should be measurable. It measurable in terms of money, measurable in terms of quantity. I mean, why we need measurable? Our goal should be measurable because this help in assessing and controlling the actions which help in goal attainment and helps a business to know whether the business is on right track or not. A represent for attainable. A represent for attainable. What is attainable means? Make sure that it is possible to achieve your goal. It's important. Make sure it is possible to achieve your goal. It always be make sure whatever the goal you make, it should be achievable. It should be achievable. Okay, means that you cannot make sure your goal should be achievable. That you cannot achieve your goals, will decrease the confidence. That means the goal should be attainable. आपने कोई भी गोल डिसाइड किया है वो ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसको अटेन किया जा सके. ऐसे नहीं है, ठीक है. Irrelevant goals are no place in business. The business should be relevant. Okay, because it increases when you attain the goals, when you feel the target, when you go set the target, and the target should be achievable. It increases the confidence level of the not only the entrepreneur but also for the employees also. So always set a realistic and achievable goals. It's an important part. Always set. Okay, realistic. जो भी आप गोल बनाओ, it should be realistic and achievable. And achievable means जो possible हो पाए. Is it clear? Next come, if we say next part, are relevant. Now what is relevant means? Relevant says that goal should be based on current condition and realities of business climate. Now if goal is increase revenues by 200%, if you set a target, the goal is, your business goal is to increase the revenue by 200%. But if the economy is facing recession and number of competition and the competitions increase, then the goal set by business is not relevant. To me, it should be relevant. आपने वो गोल डिसाइड करना है जो हम पॉसिबल हो. ठीक है, you said वो I want to open a restaurant in moon, ठीक है, which is not possible right now. They should not be relevant. The business goal should be relevant जो possible हो. तो ये simple thing, the goals should be based on current conditions and realities of business climate. हमारे business में क्या क्या climate चल रहा है, what is the business possibilities are there. ठीक है, if goals is increase revenues by 200%, 250%, but the economy is facing a recession and the number of competitions increase, then the goal set by the business which is not relevant. तो मीन्स जो भी आपने गोल डिसाइड किया है, जो भी आपने बिजनेस गोल डिसाइड किए हैं, इट शुड बी रेलिवेंट, वो पॉसिबल होने चाहिए. ओके, एंड द लास्ट पार्ट इज कमिंग अंडर टाइम बाउंड. दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. टी रिप्रेजेंट फॉर टाइम बाउंड. It should be time bound. Now what is time bound means? It is simple say, what is time bound means? Time bound says that business goal and objective should have a deadline. The goals and objectives should have deadline. एक टाइम पीरियड के अंदर आपको पूरा करना है. It should always have a deadline. If the deadline not there, then it's not possible. The business goal and objective should have deadline. If the business goal is to increase revenue by 20% or find a new clients, it should be in a time frame. The time frame should be given. ठीक है, with in which date the target is achieved, so that you can celebrate your success. This is an important one. तो it should be a time bound. कितने टाइम पीरियड के अंदर आप ये रिवेन्यू अर्न कर लेंगे और कितने टाइम पीरियड के अंदर आपने कस्टमर्स को बढ़ा लेंगे, कितने टाइम पीरियड के अंदर आप नया प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च कर देंगे. तो it should be a time bound. When the time bound is here, ठीक है, when you stick with the time bound, ठीक है, they always have a fun, they always have a joy that you can celebrate your success. If you achieve your target within a particular time bound, this always give a confidence to a business. It always gives a confidence to business, ठीक है, to celebrate the success. So these are smart goals which is commonly asked. So S represent for specific, M for measurable. You say smart goal S represent for specific, M for measurable, R for relevant, T for time bound, A is missing, that attainable. Okay, so these are the things which are commonly asked in board examination. What are the smart goals? Common term, note down with me. Specific, just summarize that. Details exactly what need to be done. What need to be done. This is a basic for specific. Detail exactly what need to be done. हमें करना क्या है. Next is measurable. Measurable. It simplifies that achievement of progress can be measured. Achievement of progress can be measured. Okay, next is achievable. Achievable represent for objective is accepted by those responsible for achieving it. Objective is for achievable, obviously attainable also. Objective is accepted by those objectives are accepted by those, okay, which are responsible for achieving, which are responsible for achieving it. Responsible for achieving it. Okay, and next is it should be realistic. It should be realistic. The realistic symbol says that objective is possible to attain. Objective is possible to attain. Objectives is possible to attain. And last is, time bound. You say time bound. Time period for achieving is clearly stated. Time period for achieving the target. Time period for achieving the target. The target, it should be specified that the time period for achieving the target, it should be clearly mentioned there. So these are SMART goals. If we say now you understand the specific one, what exactly need to be done, measurable, achievement of progress can be measured in terms of quantity, achievable. Now objective ऐसे बात दोस्त आपने जिसको एक काम सौंपा है वो उसको एक्सेप्ट तो करे पहले, वो पहले ही मना कर देगा which is not possible. तो it should be achievable और attainable बात दोस्त, those who want to really face them, जिनको ये पूरा करना है, मैं these target उनको भी समझ में आना चाहिए and then have to make surety क्या उनको ये लगता है कि possible हो पाएगा. Realistic होना चाहिए, objective possible to attain. Don't give any target, don't make any target which is impossible to attain. Okay, the target should be attainable at a particular time period. And the last is time bound. The time period for achieving. कितने time period के अंदर हम ये target achieve कर लेंगे. I hope it's clear. You understand smart goals? What are the smart goals are there? Next topic we will discuss tomorrow is marketing. Okay, the process of marketing. Okay, and the objectives of marketing. So till then guys, please take care, work hard. In case you find any difficulty, please write to me. Bye.